Interact HRMS is a global, integrated, and 100% browser-based solution that handles payroll, HR, time, talent, benefits, and risk management, all in one single solution. It has a common foundation for all modules, which includes self-service, reports, security, workflow, and alerts all in one portal. Interact HRMS is a modular system, which means you only deploy those modules which you need, and all the modules are seamlessly integrated, and you can find them in the menu search by just typing the menu that you require and selecting where you want to go. On the left-hand side, you can see a user's regular tasks, which are specific to the user or to the user group. Here I have a set of pending activities, which are workflow activities I'm involved in. I also have a KPI dashboard that gives me KPIs that are important for me to monitor. Any enterprise HR system that's going to automate your work needs a strong foundation and logic built in from the ground up. Therefore, you first need to define your organization structure, your employee groups, and your job classification, and only then will you hire your employees. Interact HRMS supports a very flexible organization structure with multiple reporting levels and multiple reporting lines, resulting in a matrix reporting structure. A reporting structure can be defined at the org unit level, at the manager and employee level, but also at the job level. Employees can be hired using a single screen for quick hire. This single screen will capture all necessary data related to the job, the employee demographics, and the organization that the employee will work in. It also captures the compensation details for which all pay elements are inherited from the employee group, which this employee is assigned to. So, the entire hiring can be done in one single screen. Once the employee has been hired, we will find her record on the list of employees in the system. This unified employee electronic record will contain all relevant data about the employee, including her education, skills, experience, leave policies, competency evaluation, performance review, and training records, and so on. We also have a miscellaneous tab where I can attach additional certifications, licensing information, and many scanned documents. It has timesheets, work schedules, a job history of the employee within the organization, and of course, it has the important payroll information. All of these will be at the user's fingertips. You can also put a sticky note on the employee's record that will remind you of a task that is pending. Now that the employee has been hired, she can log in herself through self-service and take part in the onboarding process. The employee can put in a time-off request or start off by enrolling in benefit plans. She can also fill in her W-4 form and her I-9 form, or complete any other onboarding activities that are due. The employee can sign up for training online, or clock in or clock out for a particular activity or client. If the employee is a supervisor, they would also be assigned specific activities, which they will have to perform here in their workflow. Without any additional data entry, the new employee automatically appears in my payroll. The W-4 data would have been picked up already, and I can process the payroll by running my automatic timesheets. Or I can use many different formats of timesheets that we can import or pull directly from biometric time clocks, depending on the nature of your business. We even support timesheet formats which offer project-based or activity-based labor distribution and come with very sophisticated labor costing and billing. The payroll process includes powerful tools to handle exceptions, including the ability to import exceptions and handle many different types of previous pay period adjustments. The system is seamlessly integrated with leave management, which means that all my leave transactions will automatically be considered by the payroll, and leave earnings will be calculated correctly based on the rules set up in the system. There are 4 types of payroll in Interact: the normal payroll cycle, the off-cycle payroll, the retroactive payroll, and end-of-service payroll. All of them are part of the same payroll system, but they are also separate processes, which are seamlessly integrated. In addition to that, we offer different trial processes starting with a trial payroll. GL trial run, and a trial direct bank deposit. So in every step of the way, the user would be able to verify the outcome before doing anything that will have a final impact. For employees that work on different shifts, Interact can support any type of 24/7 shift pattern. And the resource scheduling module allows you to manage sophisticated scheduling needs for projects, teams, and clients across multiple locations and using specific equipment. The scheduling is also able to handle statutory holidays and handle all the exceptions linked with them. Supervisors can log in through self-service and approve specific timesheets in all kinds of formats, or edit certain timesheets, and these will then automatically be posted to the payroll. In addition to the HR, payroll, and time management modules, Interact includes a very powerful talent management solution, which includes competency management, performance management, career planning, succession planning, training and development, and all these modules are tightly integrated and can function as one single talent system. For example, here you can see a list of goals that are being put in by the new employee, as well as the competencies that the employee would be evaluated on. Both supervisor and employee will be able to work together to put in the target competencies and performance goals in the plan. Afterwards, self-appraisal and supervisor appraisals can be done through the system for these plans. In addition to employee self-service, departments or organization units are able to log in through self-service and issue requisitions for their department or handle the position budgets or view contracts and other information that they should be able to access for their employees. Department heads can also run their own reports or assess applicants. The software is designed as a web portal, which allows applicants to apply for jobs online and log in through applicant self-service after having registered. Interact HRMS is a policy-driven software where there are countless policy definition menus for all modules to suit the client's needs. You'll notice that all modules are part of the same system. Everything can be accessed through one single portal, and everything works the way you configure it to work. After your policies are correctly set up, HR actions can be performed by the users based on their particular access rights. Using HR XML, the system can be set up to integrate with other external applications for large enterprises. Interact also offers many other modules which extend the power of the HR portal, including the ability to identify, track, report on, and mitigate specific risks in the organization. It can also help you manage health and safety matters, disciplinary actions, and ensure full compliance in different countries. The real beauty of Interact is that it can be set up to be really simple and be used by a single person only, or it can be used as a very large enterprise solution with an unlimited number of employees and an unlimited number of users. Interact HRMS is highly scalable. It can be deployed in the cloud or on-premise depending on the client's requirements. It provides a single integrated portal access to more than 75 modules across the board for HR, payroll, time, talent, benefit, and risk management, all in one single system that can be configured for any country, including country-specific payroll, leave, and time rules, which the user can control and modify.